Okay guys, so we got most of the floor done except for the ski locker hatch thingy from Bobber.
It's been a pain in our asses. Oh, I'm sorry, our butt.
Yeah, the butt. So as we were talking about, it doesn't look that bad this way, but this way it does. And this thing's pretty heavy, so I'm going to remove all this board and I'm going to come through and I'm going to fiberglass this. So I've got my little friend crowbar to help me assist me with the removal of wood. And hopefully...
But it did serve a purpose. It held the board together so we can get the other side done.
Yeah, so we can get the fiberglass on it so we can tear it back down again because it's ugly and it's heavy. So it wouldn't fly out, but it's heavy.
That's good.
So let's get to prying and crowbarring.
It's hot here. That's why he's sweaty.
And we'll get this done, hopefully today. Can't talk either. So y'all stay tuned. Okay. Super quick.
Oh, my ears.
Hey, look, it stayed together. It's a little brittle. Okay, so. No. Look your hand. No, forgot that. Yes. Okay, now that the wood's off, gonna do a little bit of cleanup on this. Pretty much I've got it done, but just go over this with a sander to basically knock off most of my sweat because it is very humid and hot right now. And now we're ready to lay up some fiberglass. Since taking off that wood, this is a little bit weak, so I'm gonna lay up probably about 5 or 6 pieces right through here. I think that should do it. Okay guys, so I've got my fiberglass, woven or stranded fiberglass, whatever it is, cut. I have my tool boat resin and hardener. I have cut out the top of my polymer that we used for the expanding foam in the boat, and I think we're ready to go. So I'm going to mix up some this is slow set resin and hardener from Tool Boat, and then I'm going to start painting and laying this fiberglass down. Going to be a lot of fun. Let's take a you notice that we got some really sweat. Most material we wear is polymer blend, or just straight 100% polymer, and slide working on polyester, sorry. And the slide working on is going to be all polyester because we don't like sweating excessively like this. And it dries fast and it gives away moisture. Now we're going to get into this fiberglass and we use the sander to cut it off. Look like I was up for surface sitting on me. Waiting. I got these one-use brushes from the store. Because it's really hard, not easy like this. Can you get them down? That ain't nasty now. No, but I think Sam's really thin here on the edge because it's kind of like a lip. You can switch down, turn paper down. You can get a roller across both of this, but pushing down your hands, it works just as good. Okay. Yeah, the straight fiberglass is easier to work with here, so you can make these lines. They work out.
Yours looking good.
Oh, awesome. Y'all be sure to check out diningwithdanielle.com.
I'm in there making dinner. And we're really low on food because we've been really busy, and so it was really hard to try to figure out what to make, but it's gonna be yummy.
Told you. Alrighty then. This is putting fiberglass on without that special roller thing. And then you can't get your gloves off. So you don't need the roller. I have a roller, I just didn't want to clean it, so I just used disposable gloves to push out all the air in the fiberglass. And this should solidify and become rock solid. Now, my lovely assistant, do the backside, yes, is going to help me out here with my glove dilemma.
A little sweaty too.
So yeah, it fills up with sweat. They're the non-powder gloves. But yeah, I think that'll do it. Now I'm just going to, I guess, move this thing out of the way a little bit, so hopefully it doesn't stick to the cement. There.
Well, we hope not.
And we're,
You probably should put it up on something.
oh no, I don't want, I want it to lay flat.
Oh, yeah.
So after this sets, we'll come back and we'll sand it. And then once this is done, we start painting. Yeah.
Yay.
So y'all stay tuned for that. Also check out Dining with Danielle. We'll be right back. Guys, the fiberglass is hard. I have a few bubbles left, and I can just sand these out. That's in the last layer I put down, so it'll just sand right off. But yeah, sand this off the paint. Solid as a rock, though. Now, Danielle's prepared. I'm not. She has a drink. I don't. It's a bad day.
Yes, he does.
But as I said, these brushes are one-time use. I'm sorry. One-time use.
This won't be this
But once this is set, you have to be careful because some of these are hard from the resin. But before I take and use the sander, sand around the edges and cut it off, you can take a pair of scissors and just cut as close to the wood as possible, and it just cuts right off. That way you don't clog.
pattern making.
That way you don't clog your sander with all this material. And you just keep going, and then after that we're going to go and sand it. I'm going to take a little drink break. Okay guys, so I've got all that cut out, and now I'm going to do some sanding. We'll wear this because fiberglass is not great on the lungs. You see I have it to the vacuum, so it doesn't really, there's not that much fiberglass, but I still, just in case. Be. That's good. So put some paint over this and call it a day. Okay, fiberglass is done. This floor is sealed. We got the foam in. We got this hatch. Really rock solid. Yeah, I can walk on it, no creaking. So got this done, and now we're going to work out some latching system. Have a mystery latch here. We'll show you on the next video what we've come up with to get this into the floor. Floor is looking really good. The ski locker is very flush. In fact, you have to take a little screwdriver to pull it out, but really good there. And we're just going to come back and get this some way of a latching system that we can lift it out and that holds in one side. It's going to come all the way out. It's not going to have a hinge system because I think that was just too much. It's just more stuff to break.
Yeah.
More stuff to break, and when you're on the water and stuff, this will just fall in. You're just going to get skis out of there, fishing poles, and whatever else you decide to shove in the middle of the boat. But
and a little paddle.
Yeah, Pat has
Hopefully
it.
we never need that.
Hopefully we never need the paddle. Hopefully this engine does well. But also, when you're working with fiberglass or foam, wear clothes you don't like. I got some foam on this one. I got another shirt with a piece of, just a drop of resin right in the center. And
He's running all his good clothes.
never gonna come out. Good thing we're trying out swag right now, because or else I wouldn't have any clothes.
Wardrobe.
That's all the clothes I'm gonna have is swag. And it's gonna be test swag.
Right, it's not exactly.
So that's fun. And hopefully, catch the next video where we're putting in this, and we're also doing, after that's paint, we're also doing some yard projects and testing out things like True Green, and we did some sod. We laid in some sod.
Fun stuff.
Yeah, keeps you in shape. So, and be sure to check out dininginwithdanielle.com. Great recipes released every week. It's mind-boggling how this girl can just keep out
And it's
and
not
knock them out.
just dinner stuff either. I got baking on there. I have very simple baking. I am
Oh.
not a baker, but
Some
I have come up with
dips.
some really good, yeah. And then, yeah, dips, appetizers, side dishes. So it's all on there.
Yeah.
It's not just a meal. So if
Yep.
you're looking for a side, I got those too.
She has this one dip that I just love. I think it's perfect for everything, whether it's meat, taters, veggies, doesn't matter.
That has not come out yet.
No, you have one already.
Well, yes, another one.
But she has
there's
a
another
better one that's coming. So y'all
It's-
stay tuned for
yeah.
that. Because yeah, I really like the last one. And the new one, oh my gosh. Sorry. Spoiler alert.
I just won't tell you anything else about it.
So, if y'all like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you have feedback, comments, put that down below. You know, I'm welcome to ideas because, guys, I'm just winging it here trying to get a latching system. Hopefully it works. I've been winging it in this whole boat. Great learning experience for future
Constructive
endeavors.
criticism is welcome, not the other stuff. It's just mean.
Just me. So, and y'all please take care.